You're somewhere, somewhere. I've been trapped in my mind, girl, just holding on. I don't wanna pretend you're something when nothing. I've been stuck thinking about her, I can't hold on. I'm in pain, wanna put 10 shots in my brain. I've been tripping about some things can't change. Suicide the same time, Montaigne, put your diss in bag, get a phone call. Girl that you fuck with, kill it so. That was this summer and nobody helped. And ever since then, when I hate myself, wanna fucking end it. Pessimistic, all wanna see me with no pot to piss in. But niggas been inside about the grave I'm digging. Have a conversation about my hate decisions, fucking sickening. At the same time, memories surface through the grapevine. By my uncle playing with a slip knot. Plus some out of stress, got me fucked up, been fucked up. Since a couple months they had a nigga locked up. I'll be feeling pain, just hold on. And I don't feel the same, I'm so numb. I'll be feeling pain, I'll be feeling pain, just hold on.